So then I decided, like, I will not focus on grammar, I will focus on speaking. Apart from grammar, you should first start loving the language. Don't be scared of English. So in a day, if you practice for at least 15 to 20 minutes, I'm sure starting ke liye it is really nice. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Let's Connect. Let's debunk a myth today. What is debunking a myth? जो चलता हुआ आ रहा है उसको आज सच जानते हैं उसके बारे में. So grammar, something which is very important for any language, be it English, Hindi, Bengali, whatever. Okay. So grammar is something very complex. Okay. So if you start with grammar, you might find it very difficult to learn all the rules, because grammar is just not the 8 parts of speech. There are figures of speech, there are a lot of other things in grammar that you need to learn. If you start learning, it's like a never ending process. So I will give you one very simple example to get this idea clear today. When a child takes birth in a family, the child does not wait for his or her age to be 6 or 7 so that he can understand grammar. He will learn grammar rules and then he will start speaking. The child starts speaking first by picking up words and then framing small little phrases and then the sentences. So how does this entire process happen? Just by listening. The child picks up words from the environment, that is from the parents, then starts imitating it and then starts picking up phrases, starts imitating it, and then comes the sentences and then done, right? So how does this happen? With grammar, I'm sure no, not with grammar. Because if you are practicing spoken English in the right technique, you really don't have to be scared of grammar. Because if you think that grammar is that important, then I wouldn't have been sitting here today and talking to you about spoken English. Even I was very scared of grammar during my school days. When my teacher used to explain grammar, I used to question myself, like, will I ever be able to speak in English if I have to follow so many rules? Because, excuse me, my mind was always like, thinking about the rules. So the most important thing was clarity of thought, which I forgot about it. Okay. And whenever I was asked to speak, I used to just keep thinking कि क्या मैं सही बोल रही हूँ, क्या मेरा टेंस सही है, क्या मेरा नाउन सही है, क्या मेरा कंजंक्शन सही है. At the end, the result was 0. Okay. So that was the problem. So then I decided, like, I will not focus on grammar, I will focus on speaking. And I started practicing something that is called clarity of thought. I used to pick up anything that was around me, I used to start describing that. And that really helped me a lot. Okay. So I don't say grammar is actually not important, like it's not important at all. No, even that's incorrect if I would say that. See, there are 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun. Noun is something which is very simple: name of person, place, animal, thing or any feeling, कोई भी चीज, व्यक्ति का नाम. और प्रोनाउन जो नाउन के बदले में यूज हो, he, she. अभी अगर मैं लड़की के लिए he यूज किया या लड़का के लिए she यूज किया, तब वो गलत लगेगा. ओके. सो वी शुड नो फ्यू बेसिक ग्रामर रूल्स. ये पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच इज समथिंग दैट यू शुड नो विथ टेंसेस. दैट्स इट. ओके. सो बिफोर गेटिंग इनटू grammar, I would say practice. Your ears should be, like, acquainted in a practice of listening English. Okay. So in today's world, internet is there available for everybody. So you can just get into YouTube. If you don't find any videos, you can just check the Bollywood, interviews. They all speak mostly in English. So you can listen to the interviews, you can listen to my videos, you can do the shadowing method, you can practice that. Like, how do you do that? pause the video, repeat, play again, pause the video, repeat. आपने जो भी सुना उसको pause करके repeat कीजिए, pause करके repeat कीजिए. So in a day, if you practice for at least 15 to 20 minutes, I'm sure starting के लिए it is really nice. You will be able to start speaking, I guess, within a week or two. Okay. Now the second thing that I wanted to tell you is, apart from grammar, you should first start loving the language. Don't be scared of English. Lot of people I have seen English में कोई बात करने दिया तो they get very tensed. हाथ ठंडा हो जाता है, दिमाग में बहुत सारे बातें रहता है, but वो लोग बोल नहीं पाते हैं. The reason is only one thing, that they are scared of the language, of that language. So English is just a language. Just speak whatever you know. Practice how much, how much you know, just practice that. And try to correct yourself. And if anybody is correcting you, don't feel embarrassed. And if the person is humiliating you while correcting, that is that person's problem, not your problem. Okay? Don't feel sad about that. Because if I'm correcting somebody, I'll correct politely. And if I'm correcting in a very rude manner, then there's something wrong in me, not in that person. Okay, so do not feel bad about that. And if you make any mistake, try to accept that mistake and learn from that mistake. Okay, feel happy about it, that you're making mistakes, because if you practice, only then you'll make mistake. If you don't practice, you will just keep speaking in any language but not English, right? So keep practicing. That is the most important thing. And grammar is just a part of the entire puzzle. Okay, it is not the puzzle as a whole. So don't get confused by practicing Rain and Martin, Oxford, grammar books. Just don't get into that. Surround yourself with English. That is the best way how you can practice. And I'm sure I'm being able to connect with you all today, because this is a question which I really wanted to address, because I keep hearing this question. Okay, so today I'm sure we have debunked the myth of grammar, the role of grammar in spoken English. And while practicing, feel very happy, feel proud of yourself, and I'm very much sure you'll be able to see the change. And I am trying to make another video where I will speak little bit about grammar, ताकि आप लोगों को वो चीज़ समझने में आसानी हो, सेंटेंस बनाने में आसानी हो. And if you have liked this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. And happy learning. See you soon.